Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up Face ID on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, you want to tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we're going to go down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Now you will need to put in the screen passcode to set up Face ID. Then tap on Set up Face ID. Now how to set up Face ID, you need to position your face in front of the camera. So let's get started. We're going to tap on the Get Started button. And then you just need to move your cameras around. You just need to look around in a circle, like so. And then it says Face ID scan complete. And you need to tap on the Continue button again to perform a second scan. And then tap on Continue to complete. And tap on Done. So once you have set up Face ID, you can use Face ID to unlock your iPhone, make purchases on iTunes and App Store. You can use Wallet and Apple Pay with Face ID. And you can also use password autofill with Face ID. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.